Hey everyone, it's Benjamin again. So I'm super excited because today we're back in Trucks Off-Road, and the developer was super awesome and helped me work out a promo code. Whoa, what's going on with the screen right now? Well, he worked out this promo code for me that gives me 1,000,000 cash, 50 premium crates, and 0 ads. So, hold up while I try and figure out what is going on. Jesus Christ almighty. Alright, hold up. Okay, I'm back and I think I got the problem fixed. We were having some major resolution stretching. So, as you can see, I've got a lot of cash, crates, and will now no longer suffer from ads. But I have to leave you for a moment. But then we'll get to opening crates and upgrading. And welcome back to it. So, now we're going to go about opening crates and customizing this truck. If you guys are wondering about the name or what happened to the Super Duty, I bought a new truck because my father has for about 15 years owned a 1970 Ford. And for a while it went into storage and it recently came back and I remembered about it. So I bought the 70s model and painted it like my father's truck. So what we're going to do right now is, first thing is I'm going to go into repairs and I am going to repair this thing. Okay, back. Now we're going to open our crates. We open our free daily crate. And what do you know? Upgraded gas tank. That's pretty cool. That's going to take us from 1018 to 1071. That's a good crate. Now we've got 50 premium crates. So we're going to open all of these. Crate 1, we got a B decal. Okay, next crate. And we got a paint splatter decal. We got some bright green Steelies. Okay. And a heart decal. Not really a big fan of that one, but lopsided square decal. Not lopsided, but trimmed. An eye decal. I'm tempted to just use my $1,000,000 and buy all the decals so I can stop getting decals from crates. Like, that's the one thing I don't like about this game right now, is the fact that you can get decals from crates. There are a couple other things I'd like to see in the game. That's actually kind of cool. Ooh, that's actually a really nice looking decal. Anyway, so what I'd like to see is the ability for players to make custom maps and online multiplayer. Those are two things I'd love to see in this game. Freaking decals. When will we get something that's not a decal from a crate? We got one set of Steelies and a fuel tank, and then it's just been decals. Okay. almost thought we were gonna get a dual carb setup there. Australian flag. Hey! We got some wheels. Oh my god, we're gonna get the caution decal. Dude, we were so close to a V6 block. I don't care. I do not want the Argentinian flag. I am an American. Only reason I'd want the Argentinian flag was maybe to represent my favorite soccer player. Oh my god. Alright. Let's see. So we've opened almost 30 crates. Okay, that is a flag I am completely fine with. You know what? Turn. We're gonna put an American flag on the tailgate. Because God bless America. Just trying to make sure we show all 13 stripes. Alright, there we go. Place. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Alright. So, one more crate. We'll open 30 today, and then I'll do another 20 in the next video. And a biohazard decal. Okay. So now let's get into some upgrades. Okay. So I'm going to start with going to panels. Alright, so front bumper. I think I'm going to leave the grille. And I'm not going to put the wide body on. So I think we're going to go with the air slot. Because it's kind of cheap and it looks good. So, and I know you guys might be trying to figure out why I'm worried about it being cheap. But 1 million will only get you so far in this game, so. Ooh, yeah, I decided not to go with the wide body, but I'm not entirely sure if we want to go the sheared rear end. Nah, not right now. Oh, back in the panels. Okay. Okay. Back. Alright. What else? Alright, so I think that's just about it. We're gonna paint this big bad race truck thing. Gloss. Oh, my dad always wanted to go with a forest green on the truck, so there we go. A gloss forest green finish all around, except for, of course, on the rear, in which we got a American flag. Alright. So, axles, I'm going to leave those black. Wheels, you can paint the tires. What in tarnation? Huh. Interesting. So, we're going to make the chassis freaking white. So that's just a bit of the drive shafts. I'll make those black. Bye. Okay. So we'll come back to wheel color after we finish customizing. Okay. So, tools get kind of expensive. But I think we're gonna buy engine diagnostics because 25 grand and repair discount. Anyway, back to okay. Parts. Okay, axles. We're gonna need grip. What better way to obtain it? And by buying axles. Buy that set. Just buy the cheapest set here. And the cheapest set here. We'll go back and paint the axles black once we're done. Okay. So, soon enough, I'm going to be getting my truck, which happens to have a 302 V8. So we're going to bring ours up to a 5-liter engine just like the 302 is. And there we go. 8 cylinders. Yeah, this thing goes all the way up to a 9-liter V8, and I think that's just absurd. Okay, so 4.7 liter. Yeah, 5-liter V8. That's where we'll leave it. Intake, I got that intake for free. I think. Okay. Best intake. Okay. So, bull bar. I'm a Mad Max fan, and the Mad Max fan in me says, to put a big bad bull bar on there, but the more reasonable man in me says, let's go with something small. Okay, carbs. Double barrel carburetors. Exhaust. 1592. Well, obviously. Okay, we just upgraded a fuel tank. Okay, gearbox. Okay. So, we can go all the way up to a 6-speed. But I'm not really feeling the whole 6-speed thing. I think we just buy a 5-speed and suffer for now. Intercooler. Okay, radiator. Yep. Buy this one because it's cheap. And I'm gonna buy this one because it makes more power and is cheaper. Boom. Okay, rocker covers. So I've got pretty heavily upgraded ones on here already. Well, cheaper, 1700 horsepower. Okay. Back. Jesus Christ, I keep going out of parts. I'm really feeling these revolver wheels. I like them. I'm gonna buy them.
Time's ticking.
Oh, hold up. Let me get my do not disturb up in here. And there we go. Okay, tires. I'm gonna go all the way up to something nice and fancy. I've been looking at these Ultimate 3s since the beginning, and they're growing on me hard. So I'm gonna go with Tire Pattern Ultimate 3. I'm gonna buy the most beat up. Oh, that's Ultimate 4. Damn it. More money than I wanted to spend on tires, but got the tires that I wanted. Now, chassis. So obviously we gotta upgrade eventually. So, intermediate. And then should we go the 100 grand and up to a fancy chassis? Yep. Pro chassis it is. Alright. So we're going to leave it naturally aspirated for now. I'm going to say it's up to you guys whether we make this a blown 302 or a twin turbocharged 302. Let's get this thing repainted and track ready. Okay, axles. Select both axles. Bye. Okay, all black. Okay, red part. I want to make black. This part I also want to make black. This part I want to make white. And this part I want to make red. Bye. So, big bad wheels, chassis. Okay, make that part black, that part white, that part black, and that part black. Dang it. Okay, bye. There we go. Okay, setup time. We'll look at tire pressure later. I just realized we didn't upgrade our suspension. So the hot rod lover in me also wants to make the engine front mounted, but the reasonable part of me wants to make it rear mounted. I'm going to leave it rear mounted for now. You guys decide in the comments alongside whether or not the engine should be blown or turbocharged, whether we should have the engine in the front or back. Okay. And then I'll leave one last decision to you guys. And that decision is going to be... Hold up. Fresh new batch of trucks. Whether we want to buy this early 90s model Ford, or whether we want to hunt down a Super Duty. That's going to be up to you guys. So like I said in the comments, engine mount placement, blown or turbocharged, and 80s Ford or Super Duty. Anyway, oh, and I'll be checking that in 48 hours. After I post this, of course. So, let's go see how wild this thing can get at the park, which is the starting map. And we'll do some drag racing. So this thing is wild. Okay, let's see. So best time is 15.9 seconds. Let's put them in the ground, boys. Alright. Launching the terrifying truck. As soon as the light goes green, rip. Oh yeah. Yeah, it just makes mincemeat out of those puddles. Not even a challenge.